Okay, so I'm about to head out to the Hawaii Sneakerheads Space event, which is basically like a mini Hawaii like sneaker con thing. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm prepping for all of that right now. I'm going to be bringing the merch, bringing all of that good stuff. But before I get into that, because I know it's going to be crazy over there, it's going to be very loud, it's going to be hectic, I did want to give a shout out to today's sponsor of this video, which is RG&B Rose Gold and Black. You guys have heard me talk about Rose Gold and Black on the channel before. Very, very stylish, elegant pieces, man. Nice leather pouch over here. And it does come with pieces like this, which I really, really enjoy, which is this beaded bracelet. Very clean aesthetic, and again, very minimalistic. So pretty much can match with whatever you're wearing, especially that new Untied Hawaii Shaka t-shirt. And what I like about RG&B is that they're all about the community, just like the Hawaii Sneakerhead space, because their prices are so low. You guys can actually check out their website, linked in the description below. And if you guys go to that website, you guys can see that the prices are already very, very low for these things. And the quality is actually really, really high. Like if you guys look at these items, like it is not cheap quality stuff. This is really nice stuff. But even along with that, to make it even better, if you guys go click on that link in the description below, you guys will get 25% off your order. So it's like low prices going even lower. So that's what I really love about them. Again, all about the community, and that's what we're gonna be seeing today in this video. So stay tuned, that is coming up right after this.
Party with no curfew, and if you wave, then I will serve you like wave.
Alright, so this event that we're going to today is run by a Hawaii sneaker like Facebook page thing. It's called Hawaii Sneakerheads. Hawaii doesn't get like a lot of like conventions or like get-togethers for sneakers. Think about it, like SneakerCon has never had one in Hawaii. ComplexCon will never be in Hawaii, and the main thing is just because it's hard to ship like all of that stuff out here, so it doesn't make sense for them like financially. So we don't get a lot of that. So it's really sick that this guy Ron, he runs the Hawaii Sneakerheads page. He put together this event just so people can like come together and like, you know, talk about sneakers, like just be gathered around like a common interest. So I think that's really sick, dude. The event should be pretty dope too. So yeah, let's check it out. Dude, this line is pretty dope. It's like massive. All the way around the corner, huh? Oh yeah? Oh dude, this guy is rolling right now.
It's bad, I'm a subscriber.
Oh yeah? Right on, dude.
You on Insta.
Right on, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, what is this thing called again? Hawaii Sneaker Space? I think it's called Hawaii Sneaker Space. Hawaii Sneakerhead Space. Oh, there you go. Yeah, thank you. Hawaii Sneakerhead Space. There we go. So this line is finally moving now. Dude, it was wrapped around the whole building. That's insane. Like, I don't know. That's a lot of people. Dude, and it's still going. Okay, what was the thing for again?
I pulled out about 60 pairs of my own collection.
Okay.
And selling it at super way below market value price.
Right, I can tell. Yeah.
And the reason is just, it's an outreach. If you see the banner, it says Kicks for Price. The reason why all this, the proceeds from the sales are gonna go to my church, One Love Ministry, where we feed the homeless. We clothe them, we give them blankets, we give children toys.
Yeah.
And so from the sales of this, I decided that I want to give it to the ministry so we can help those less fortunate. Instead of letting shoes just sit in the closet collecting dust, I figure, what good is it while people are on the street hungry and cold?
I feel you. Well, right on. I appreciate everything you did for this.
Good seeing you.
This is awesome. Hey, and with the first purchase of the day. What's up, brother? You watch the channel?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah?
I love
on, dude.
videos.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Hey, I got a question for you. Sneaker of the year.
Sneaker of the year. I mean, I just got into it this year, so like, I just got into Yeezys. I like Yeezys right now.
Hey, I feel you, dog. Hey, I only got into it like 2 years ago. So.
Oh, really?
I know. I'm with you. This guy said that he already copped the white one before even
I'm
today.
the white and your other black one.
Hey, sneaker of the year.
Off-white Presto.
Off-white Presto?
Yeah,
Which one?
all white.
The all white?
Yeah.
Really?
I like
Oh, hello. Hey, I'm Untied Hawaii.
No, real fast. Sneaker of the year. I mean, you're wearing 2 of them, it looks like, so.
Yeah, Prestos.
Presto?
Yeah.
That's your favorite. Right on, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching the channel. What is your sneaker of the year, 2018?
Air Force Ones.
Which ones?
The off-white ones, of course. Really?
Yeah.
That's the first one. Everybody's saying like Prestos and stuff. So
No, man, it's about what you like, right? And like, I
true,
like
that's
to have
true.
stuff that's just a little bit different.
pretty dope though. I appreciate it. Hey, thanks for
Hey,
watching, man.
take it
Thank you,
easy.
thank you, thank you.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a large.
A large?
Yes, I would say it's like slim. If you want your muscles popping and stuff, then yeah, true to size. Hey, you guys watch the channel?
Yeah, dude. Honestly, that's the reason I came here.
love,
No,
dude.
for real.
That means a lot, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. What's your name, man?
JJ, man.
JJ.
How's it going?
What's your name? Leah. Right on. I have a question for you guys. Sneaker of the year.
I honestly thought the Sean Witherspoon 97.
Really?
Yeah, I honestly thought those were.
Oh,
I just
interesting.
like the look of it, that vibe.
What about you? Are you into sneakers too?
Not so much.
Not too much?
My-
Guilty by association.
Yeah. She just
I feel you.
supports my dreams.
Do you keep her laced up and stuff though?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. All right, man. I appreciate it, dude.
All
Thank you guys
right,
so
no
much for
problem.
watching.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yes.
Thank you for your shirt,
Thank you.
man.
Nice meeting you.
Untied Ohana,
Yes.
man.
Right on, dude. Okay, sneaker of the year. That's tough, right? Which one?
The acronym.
Oh, the acronyms, really? The rainbow colored one?
Yeah.
Or that one's the best one. That's the best one. You guys so much for watching, though. I appreciate it. You take care, yeah. Bruh, even these, dude. What the hell? Okay, first of all, I really like this.
Yeah,
That
that's
is
the
dope.
shit.
How did you cop that? StockX? StockX, I feel you, dude. Okay, so sneaker of the year, man. This year, it's a tough year. There's a lot. There's a lot.
My favorite personally, I think, Rentos.
I feel you. That's like my top three. Cop merch, that's dope. I have a question for you though. Sneaker of the year.
I caught the Sean Witherspoon. I love it.
See, everybody's saying that. You know, for some reason, for me, I don't get like the hype on it. Like I respect it's a very dope sneaker, right?
No, I like the story.
The story. That's why you're copying it, right on.
Like, everyone had their way to get their own bread, you know? He like the fact that he was in a van selling shoes, like completely insane to me. And then,
I appreciated that, man. That's dope.
what about you?
For my own? Oh, dude, nobody's turned this around on me yet. I wasn't prepared with an answer. I like to tell people that my two that I'm very between is like either the bread toe or the pine green. But the bread toe, dude, when that thing came out, I thought that was done. Like for the year, I thought that was the best sneaker. I have 3 pairs in my house because I want to have one for like the next 20 years. All right, my dude Pono over here.
LeBron athletes.
I don't even know what these are, man.
One of 150 in the world.
Are you serious? Okay, I got a better question for you then. How do you feel about LeBron in LA?
Tough love, bro. I can't get behind it, but I support Bron no matter what. I got too many excuses to not support.
Laker hater.
I'm not a Laker lover.
Since he moved back to Cleveland, he toned down a lot, right? So I respect it. Like, I never liked him as a player before that, but I respected his game. Now I respect him on both levels. But then he went to the Lakers. So it's like, you know, it's like it started from here and now he moved back down to here. So
I
it's
can't
like,
buy a Lakers jersey yet. Like, and I'm a LeBron fan.
all right, what if he wins though with the Lakers? How you gonna feel?
Go.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 titles, 3 teams. Three
Right?
titles, 3 teams. Go.
Right? What is the sneaker of the year for you, 2018?
I still have to give it to Kanye.
Which one?
Moss.
Really? That is your sneaker of the year?
Yeah, man.
I am so surprised. No, okay, you gotta give me an explanation. What is this? Because a lot of people are hating on that one, as you know, right?
True.
So, yeah, so what is your love for it? What do you like about it?
Just a diehard Kanye fan, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
700s are my favorite model. I'm all about it, man.
You're all about it?
Diehard Kanye to
Dude.
the death.
I respect that. So I respect
If you like the colorway, if you like the silhouette of the shoe, go on and get it.
Okay, guys, so quick question. Sneaker of the year for you. What was it?
React Element 87s.
Any
By far.
particular colorway? Or
The sail whites.
what about you, man?
I'm not really into sneakers, but I still like stuff.
So you're more like
stuff.
streetwear? Because I can see you got the Supreme in the hub. Dude, I really like this jacket, by the way. That thing is dope.
Thanks.
So what was your favorite Supreme drop then this year?
You actually like the split box logo a lot. Split box logo is pretty cool.
Okay, I feel you. I feel you. What about you, man? Sneaker of the year?
I like Off-White.
Off-white, yeah?
Yeah.
Which one? Which one?
The Jordan.
The Jordan one. So you're into sneakers? You like sneakers and shoes? What's your favorite shoe that came out this year? You don't have a favorite sneaker? What are you wearing right now? I like these. What are these? Jordans. Those are nice. Those are nice. Who's your favorite basketball player? Michael Jordan. That's number 1. Right on. That's awesome. Nice to meet you, man. Take care, okay? All right, so I got a quick question for you.
Yeah, what is it?
Sneaker of the year 2018.
Does the
re-release of the Weatherspoons count?
See, and I've had this conversation with other
Okay.
people already. I feel like it was a last year release, but everybody's saying no, it came out this year.
Yeah.
So you like that one though? That would be your choice.
I'm from Virginia, so I gotta rep my boy Sean. You know, shout out to Sean Brown too.
Right on, right on.
You're doing it big too, man.
No,
Congrats
man,
on
no.
100K, man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it,
for
dude.
sure.
Thank you, thank
Have a
you.
good one.
Yeah,
Thanks,
take care,
man.
take care. Sneaker of the year 2018. What do you guys got?
I'm saying Cactus Jack.
You like Travis Scott?
Yeah, Travis Scott.
Oh, that's why. Okay, I respect it. I respect it. What about you, man?
I like the UNC off-white ones.
UNC?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a clean one. I like that too.
Yeah.
What about you, man?
I have like a lot, like,
If you had to pick a favorite though, what was your
Okay,
favorite one? Yeah, only one.
I think I like my
Hard
bands
decision.
that I have right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
What
I
bands
like-
you got on? Ooh, I like those. Those are clean, man.
Yeah,
It matches your wallet.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, good. I like that style. We're here with Ron. Ron is the host of this event, Hawaii Sneakerheads. You guys see right here on the back. So, Ron,
Yo, what's up, man?
why'd you make the event, man?
Basically for the community, you know, like we hardly get sneaker events in Hawaii, so I just wanted to do something because as a fan and a regular sneakerhead, I just wanted to have a place where we can all kick it and just celebrate the culture. And especially being a fan of Untied Hawaii, you know, I've seen you grow, and I just want everybody, all different platforms, different brands from Hawaii local only to come together and show that we have potential to show the mainland peeps that we got a culture over here, because some people don't know that we have.
That
real talk.
I guess that kind of brings me to my next question, which is basically, what do you think makes Hawaii's sneaker culture special?
You have that family feel, that ohana you say.
Right.
And also, everybody knows each other over here, so everybody supports each other.
True,
But what
true.
makes it different is that we have that low spirit, and I know some people don't believe that, but really there is that spirit within everybody. So
Yeah, and to go with that, the event's over. I think it was a huge success. A lot of people came out. You guys saw it on the camera earlier. That line wrapped around the whole building, man. That is insane. Like, people think that there's not a lot of sneakerheads in Hawaii.
For sure.
It was shown here today, you know?
Yeah.
So that's wild.
That's what it's all about, you know, with the streetwear and sneaker culture. It's not only about reselling and making money.
Oh, yeah.
And there's more to that, you know. I mean, it's part of the culture to resell and make money, obviously, but that's what drives us to work more harder. This is the first one, and I hope that we can do more.
It's going to be the first of many.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. I
Yeah.
appreciate that. And thank you so much for hosting this event.
All right, so my battery died, so I'm filming like the last bit of that vlog in here. But yeah, basically that was it for the Hawaii Sneakerhead Space events. It was dope. I mean, like Ron was saying, it's a community thing and it's something that Hawaii doesn't see a lot of. Like, SneakerCon and stuff happens in the mainland. You got ComplexCon and stuff over there as well, but it just costs too much money for those big companies to like ship all of their vendors out. And the thing is that everybody that would want to go to that would need to fly in. So yeah, it doesn't really make sense for them from like a business standpoint. But that doesn't mean that Hawaii doesn't deserve events and stuff. So that's what Ron was trying to create with the Hawaii Sneakerhead Space. And honestly, I thought it was a really cool event. I met a lot of you guys over there, which was really dope. Meeting the local Untied Ohana was very, very humbling, man. Didn't realize like so many people watch the channel over here, so I felt very like overwhelmed. That was really cool. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing like some of the culture in Hawaii and just meeting some of the Ohana like through video, like when I was talking and conversing with them. So it was just really nice. Very fun video, very fun event. Anyway though, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!